Man, yeah, these cops are all over me right now. There's two of them over here. So I was doing the loop. I told you I was gonna do a 2 loop here, and there was one cop sitting there, and now there's 2, and this one has its lights on, shining towards the trail, I guess waiting for me. I'm almost to the hidden waterfall though, so I'm just running, man. Just leave me alone. But the good thing is they're Air Force Base police, so I'm on the other side of the fence, so they can't get me. But I know they're waiting for me. I know they are, because the lights are shining straight onto the trail. So I'm gonna just book it right here, and we're gonna get past them and get to the hidden waterfall. Let's do this thing. Come on. Morning, yeah. It is that time again. It is time to run. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to hit these trails and have some fun, man. I'm looking forward to today's training. I really am. It feels amazing outside. It's in the upper 40s right now, and very happy about that. I wasn't 100% sure how the weather was going to be this morning, so I literally brought all the seasons of clothing with me in my trunk. Literally all of them. So yeah, I was very prepared for whatever Mother Nature decided to throw at me this morning. So yeah, we're good to go on that factor. Today is gonna be between 14-17 miles. Just depends on how my body is feeling, but I'm looking forward to it. Like I said, weather is very nice out. Shouldn't be an issue at all. Possibility of rain, but I don't think that's gonna happen. And again, you never know. This is Texas. You just don't. But for right now, it's nice out. So let's get out there. Let's have some fun. Let's get it. Let's go. Well, yeah. Glad I went with my first instinct and brought my jacket. It was just raining on me for about half a mile. It wasn't strong or anything. It's definitely rained though. Like I told y'all earlier, you never know what this Texas weather's gonna do. That's why I always go into these prepared for the worst. Because you never know what's gonna happen out here. You just don't. Especially during my hours operation, you have to be prepared. Because realistically speaking, if something bad happens, I gotta get myself out. There's nobody coming for me out here, y'all. I'm about to be in the middle of nowhere by myself, 4 in the morning. Just come into it prepared and you'll be fine. Yeah, you'll be fine. I'm really glad that the rain has stopped though. It might pick up again, might not. Regardless, I'm prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws at me. Hopefully she's nice to me this morning. Please, Mother Nature. Something big and black was on the trail. It just ran off. Saw it the last second, man. It started turning all my lights on. It was big. Bad thing is I have to go this way. All right, let's do this thing. It went off to the left on the levee, so I'll stay on the right side. I think it was a coyote or something, but there's a lot of wild animals out here. Yeah, I've seen bobcats, I've seen coyotes, I've seen my arch enemies, skunks. There's
a lot of stuff out here, man. Foxes. I think I scared them off. Yeah, I hope so. Because this is legitimately about the bottleneck. And if there is something up here, I'm about to be stuck with them. I might just dipped off into these woods over here. Ha! Ha! Just make your presence known. Should be alright. I just gotta get to this bend. And then I'll be in a lot safer conditions. And this is bottlenecks right here, see? Y'all might not see it, but I have to go this way. Alright, I'm pretty sure I'm good. Yeah, I'm about to be at the bend. Never know what's gonna happen out here. Alright, well, I'm awake. Let's keep at it. Trail is pretty treacherous right here. Ooh, man. Yeah, it is. It rained a couple days ago, so I knew that was kind of going to be the case. And it's actually been messed up over here for a couple weeks now. But it's, ooh, whoa, hold on. Sorry, I really had to focus. It's progressively getting worse and worse over here. But luckily I remembered where it really started messing up, so I was on alert. But besides the trail being messed up over here, it is going very well. I'm almost to deer territory. And you never know what's gonna happen over there. You just don't. Pretty cool, right? I know I showed you last week, but it looks like they put up more. Oh yeah, look, hold on. There's a big. There's a deer right there. Yeah, there's a deer right here. Y'all probably can't see it, but that's a deer. Okay, where am I? Think, David, think. Okay, I got about a mile to get to the bridge. So I got about a mile and a half, maybe 2, until I get to this deer. It's probably not going to be in this exact area, but it's got to be close. It's got to be close. Yeah, he's moving right now. All right, I'm gonna try to get over there. Oh, it's running right now. Oh. Okay. Oh, there's 2 of them. Okay. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna make some distance. Hopefully they're there when I get over there. All right. Let's find out. Oh wow. I'm gonna let them go. just a 2-lane bridge, and that car slowed down for me, so I'm thankful for that. As he was flying before he saw the lights, I had both my big lights on, my flashlight and the light on top of the camera. But I'm over the bridge on the opposite side of Trinity. Got about a mile until I get to those Christmas lights. Hopefully those deer are still there. We're gonna find out though. Oh yeah, I caught up to him. Okay. They're right in front of me. Let's get these things, come on. Come on. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get him, hold on. Woo, big hole. Oh wait. Oh, wait a minute. What? It's just a reindeer. Ah. The deer are gone, the real deer. I think I can see. Yeah, I can. Big old reindeer right there. Actually, a couple reindeer. Yeah, deer are gone. Deer are gone. I kind of figured that was going to be the case. Did I stop my watch? Okay, cool. Yeah, I kind of figured that was going to be the case, honestly. But I wasn't expecting to see a massive reindeer. That's pretty cool. All right, now that I know the deer are gone, I'm actually gonna do this route twice, just to get some extra miles. And next time y'all see me, I should be at the hidden waterfall, unless something interesting happens out here. And you never know, you just don't. So, stay tuned. Well, it's time to get out of here, y'all, so. I just got questioned by the Air Force Base police. He came rolling up on me pretty fast, honestly. And he got out of his car and I kept yelling at him. I was like, I'm just looking at the lights. He got out of the car and he was like, are you on the other side of the fence? And I was like, yeah. I don't even know how to get on the other side of the fence. So, definitely time to get out of here. Yeah, definitely time. Let's go. Alrighty, yeah. I didn't run into the deer, but I did find a massive deer. Hold on, I'll show you. I think this cop is coming towards me, actually. Oh, hold on, yeah. See the deer right here? Oh man, this cop is coming right towards me. Hold on, yeah. I'm just looking at the lights. I'm just looking at the lights. Yeah, this might get interesting. Crap. Hold on, yeah, hold on. I gotta go real quick. Man, yeah, these cops are all over me right now. There's two of them over here. So I was doing the loop. I told you I was gonna do a 2 loop here, and there was one cop sitting there and now there's two, and this one has its lights on, shining towards the trail, I guess waiting for me. I'm almost to the hidden waterfall though, so I'm just running, man. Just leave me alone. But the good thing is they're Air Force Base police, so I'm on the other side of the fence, so they can't get me. But I know they're waiting for me. I know they are, because the lights are shining straight onto the trail. So I'm gonna just book it right here, and we're gonna get past them and get to the hidden waterfall. Let's do this thing. Come on. All right. That's them right there. Y'all see them? I've been running these trails for years now, man. I have never had to deal with this, man. Whatever. I'm about to get to the hidden waterfall, and as soon as I get off of this, I'm going dark. See y'all at the hidden waterfall. I guess they really mean that. That was wild, man. That really, really was. But, I mean, I do get it. It's early in the morning, shining a big old light. But we established that I was just running. You don't have to bring another person over just to wait for me. That was weird, dude. Whatever, man. I'm at the hidden waterfall. It's all gravy. I'm away from them, so it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Whew. All right. I'm gonna catch my breath real quick, and I'll see y'all here in a little bit. Let me see if I can see the hidden waterfall. Hold on. You cannot, but you can hear it. I apologize. All right, y'all. I'm gonna show you the hidden waterfall just for a couple seconds. Well, more than a couple seconds. I'm trying to say I just don't want to stick around too long. That's what it's all about, y'all. That's what it's all about. Especially after all that craziness that I just ran through. I get a little bit of peace. A lot of bit of peace, actually. All right, y'all. I'm gonna take in some of these vibes for just a little bit longer, then we'll start making my way back. Got about 6-7 miles to get back. Let's do this thing. Walking on this concrete. about to get off of it and then jump back on a trail, but let me show y'all this real quick. Look, I was walking, I was like, what is on my feet? Just caked full of mud. I kind of figured I had some mud on me, but I didn't know because it was so dark out here. I couldn't establish what was really going on down there. But yeah, man, my trail shoes are just crammed full of mud, but as soon as I jump on a trail, it'll start breaking off. But right now, man, feels very weird to be walking right now. All that mud. But it's about to be off, and I'm about to be off. Dude, we about to book it, son. We're about to book it. About to go around this little bend. This is my normal 4-mile turnaround. So this run is gonna be, I'll push to 17 because I'm at mile 1290. That would be 1690. Might as well run 0.1, make it 17. Might as well, I'm at that, I'm already almost there. But it's going good. Going really good. Hold on. Let me get around this little bend. Okay. Alrighty. Let's keep at it. Man, that's a lot of birds. Oh gosh. Please don't poop on me. You see all these birds? Okay. Hold on now. Now what is going down here? Don't you see all these birds? Hold on. I'll go down there. I got time. You got time? Alright, cool. Steep. Pretty epic. Just hit mile 15. Home stretch is right there. Just gotta get on top of that bad boy and empty the gas tank. See what this body can really do. Feeling good. Let's Let's knock this bad boy out, y'all. Come on. Let's go. Don't quit on yourself. Come on. Last hill. Home stretch, baby. Let's kill this thing. All right, y'all, just finished up. It's a great run, man. Great run. Although, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm a little bit upset right now because you'll see that right here. My hydration pack literally just broke on me. I've only had this one for about 2 weeks. And I only had like 0.7 miles until I was done. And it just snapped on me. I wasn't even pulling on it hard or anything like that, but I've already reached out to customer service and sent them an email, so hopefully that'll get me all squared away, because I've only had it for, like I said, 2 weeks. So generally they're pretty good with helping out with that type of stuff, but hopefully that'll be the case. But it was a wild run. I mean, animals on the trails, police questioning me for looking at Christmas lights, my pack breaking, those birds. Yeah, dude, it's been a wild run. Never a dull moment on the trails, right? Sheesh. Let's go over these numbers real quick, yeah. So I ended up running 17 miles in 2 hours and 57 minutes with an average pace of 10:25. That is, that's not bad still, man. That is not bad still. Whew. Just a wild run, but hey, it's all good, man. Hope you enjoyed the journey with me. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends about me, y'all. I'm that crazy runner. I'll see y'all on the next run.